Today we have a 2013 Ford F-150 to show you. Has 58,000 miles, clean auto check, comes with a 30-day warranty. Give you a look at it. It does have a nice big classic chrome grille, big Ford emblem right in the middle. Has your chrome step bumper, along with your chrome tow hooks on the bottom. Has the chrome back headlighting, along with parking fog lights. Has the chrome wheels. Got Michelin tires on there around 3/4 tread. They are an 18-inch tire and wheel. That's the chrome full-length running boards. Integrated signals on your mirrors. Two-tone interior. Gray cloth seating. Bucket-style seats. Black carpeting. The black and gray trim doors and dash. If you look at the rear seats, it does have the split bench in the rear. And rear seating folds up like that in case you need space back there to haul something. Some of those seats are pretty tough to operate, but these Ford seats are very simple. They just lift up. You want to put them down, pull the handle, and they kind of fold right back down for you. Again, lots of room back there. Rear tires and wheels. Tires are pretty much the same tread all around. They're on 3/4 tread. This has a nice chrome step rear bumper. You have your hitch receiver. Has plastic Ford drop-in bed liner. You have your 4x4 badging on your bed sides, of course. Tires and wheels, pretty much like I mentioned, the same whole way around. And again, the seating on this side folds up just like the other side, in case you need extra cargo space. And full-length running tubes on the driver's side. It does have keyless entry. That keyless entry pad is on your driver's door handle right there. If you look inside, you have your power driver's locks, windows, mirrors on the door. Inside the door here on the dash, you have your dimmer switch for your dash. You have your headlight switch. Have your power driver's seat. And on the side of your steering wheel, you have your adjustment for your pedals. It does have adjustable pedals, foot pedals. Current mileage you can see is 59,000 over 53. Cruise control, audio controls, media controls, all on your driver's steering wheel. Driver and passenger airbag. 2 or 4-wheel drive selector switch. And over here on the center of the dash, you have your traction control. You have your Sirius radio, all your audio controls, CD insert down below that, and that's where you have the rest of your audio controls. Below that you have your heating, air conditioning, all those settings. And then this little piece opens up into a cubby. Down there you have an auxiliary inline, you have an aux cord, a 12-volt power source, USB, along with a small amount of storage. You have your 12-volt power source here on your dash, along with another little cubby. You have a nice big center console, a couple cup holders, a little storage in that. And then that also folds up. And then your bottom seat folds up also. And you have some storage space down inside that. It's a pretty nice clean truck. There's no real smoke or pet smell or any rips or tears anywhere on the interior. Go ahead and fire up the engine. Give you a look at that. It's nice and clean underneath there also. As you can tell from looking, most of them you probably already know, it does have a 5.0 liter V8 engine. Pretty much Ford's go-to for V8 engines for a long time. It's plenty of power, a lot of torque. Good all-around motor with pretty decent fuel economy. And the last thing we are going to do on this video, I'm going to give you one last walk around. See if we can pinpoint any blemishes. Or a couple tiny stone chips on the front grille. A couple little scuffs here on the driver's door. They're not real noticeable. You're probably not going to even be able to see them on the video. Just a couple little tiny stone chips on the front of the fenders. All in all, nice bright red color, chrome package on it. It is a real good looking truck. If you're interested in coming out and taking a drive, give us a call here. Our number is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.